Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's look, we're gonna do a red lip, and I think I'm gonna do something like a soft matte look on the eye. I'm not sure yet. If you already seen the thumbnail, you already know what's happening. I don't know right now. But yeah, so if you want to see how I get the look in my thumbnail, then keep on watching. Next, I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix concealer and just color correct. I've been loving how well my skin has been reacting to my new skincare. So if you want a skincare video, mind you, my skin was terrible. I had a really bad allergic reaction in October of 2019. I don't even know what, so I'm kind of, it was trial and error when I was doing my new routine, but it worked and I'm so grateful. I'm gonna take my setting powder next and set all of those areas. Okay, now that we've set that, we're gonna get into the eyes. I think I'm gonna use my Anastasia today. Okay, boom, eyes are done. I'm gonna prime my lid with the L'Oreal Infallible. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Gorgeous Me, my Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette, and I'm gonna take this shade and put it in and use it as my transition color. Now I'm not going all the way into the corner because I think I'm gonna do a half cut crease. So now I'm gonna go in with these two darker browns. I'm gonna mix them and just kind of stamp them in this area just to give me a more smoky look towards the end. I'll go back in with this and just blend those two together. So now I'm just gonna go back in with the L'Oreal and do a half cut crease. I think this one looks a little further, so I'm gonna go in a touch of this shade and just pat that. I'm just gonna go back in with the two browns we used and kind of diffuse that harsh line. So I wanted to do something neutral on the eyes today because we're going for a bold red lip. I'm gonna do a wing to try to tie the look together. Okay, so I'm just gonna set my brows while my lashes are drying. Okay, so lashes are on. We're gonna get right into the skin. So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer in Fawn and Cool Tan. I put Cool Tan closer to my under eye. Okay, so while my highlighter is setting, I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance foundation stick in Cocoa Bean as kind of like a light contour. Now I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush and just kind of blend the highlight and contour together, and blending in an upwards motion. So I think I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Luminous powder. I'm just gonna go in with a light layer of that. Then I'm gonna bake with my J-Cap banana powder. So I think I'm gonna reverse contour. I'm gonna let that sit. Then I'm gonna take my Black Radiance contour palette. My Black Radiance contour palette, and I think this is medium to dark. I'm gonna go in with this shade. I've been loving this sculpted look lately. Now I'm gonna go in with a clean powder brush and just dust all this powder away. Okay, so I know we look like, you know, cake face, so I'm just gonna use some of my Urban on that. So I'm just gonna take a small pencil, and then I'm gonna go back over with the shades that we used under my waterline. I'm gonna go in with the Spiced Rose Milani blush. And for highlighter, I'm going with my Chucky Artist Couture. I was gonna get so deep into the theme song. I'm like, oh, that girl. And now that we're done, we're gonna go in with the matte mineralized skin finish in Dark Deepest. I'm just gonna set my entire face. See how it kind of diffuses the highlighter so it's not too harsh. So I'm just gonna set my face again since we applied more powder. So first I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Downtown Beauty. And we're gonna go in with Ruby Woo by MAC. Okay guys, so this is the final look for the face. I'm gonna zoom in. I love how it turned out. I even changed my top because I think white just makes everything pop. Like your face is just gonna always stand out more when you have on something bright. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy videos like these, don't forget to give me a like so I can know, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye, sweethearts.